Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So about 2 weeks ago, I let you know that the Google app icons are going to be getting a major redesign with gradient finishes. And as I mentioned in the video, Google is developing a major icon redesign for its workspace apps, including Gmail, Drive, Calendar, Meet, Sheets, Slides, and so on. Now, just to let you know that I had noticed earlier today that Google is now beginning to roll out its gradient icon redesign for workspace apps. And the first signs of this are found in the app launcher in Google Chrome. So if we head to the top right and we click on Google Apps, here we can see new icons for Gmail, Google Drive, Docs, Sheets, Slides, Calendar, Chat, Meet, Vids, Forms, Keep, Voice, and here at the bottom, Tasks. So quite a few have got the new gradient redesign. And these icons are also appearing in the top left corner of some of the Google apps. So if I head over to Chrome Canary and we just quickly head into Keep as an example, you'll see here in the top left corner, the new icon is also appearing. And apparently these are appearing to the top left of some of the Google apps in Google Keep as shown, and the home pages for Docs, Sheets, Slides, Vids, Forms, and Sites. So interesting stuff. Now the new icon design, as an example, if we look at Drive, it does away with the app icon rule that Google has followed in the past, where app icons no longer need to use all 4 Google colors. And a lot of the new icons stick with fewer colors. As an example, Google Drive, Calendar, and more gradients, and a more, for want of a better word, vibrant look. So I think there's going to be mixed reactions regarding these new icons. Personally, at this stage, I may change my mind, but they're not really doing it for me. Maybe that will change in the future, but nonetheless, just bringing it to attention. Those new icons are now starting to roll out, starting with the app drawer in Google Chrome. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.